Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can generate 3D media with AI in Canva. If you ever wanted to create custom 3D assets without learning complex modeling software, now you can easily create a 3D media by using the Canva's latest AI Magic Media. Here I'm going to show you how. So first open your design and then you can just go to the magic media options, and there will be this 3D tab. Click on that and then you can just describe what you like to create. If you're confused, you can start by clicking on this inspire me options. And here, let's say I'm going to create a takeaway coffee cup with a flat lid and sleeve. Click on generate 3D. Now just wait until Canva create your 3D media. So it will be ready in about 30 seconds, so you can just wait. Okay, so this is the 3D media based on a prompt here. You can click on it to add it to your design. And as you guys can see, you can rotate it just like that and adjust the position on your design. So that's how you can easily add 3D media using the Canva AI Magic. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.